In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Etsy shipping on listings. Start by opening a new browser window and searching for Etsy. From the results, choose the official Etsy website link to head straight to the home page. Once you're there, sign into your account so you can access your seller tools. If you run more than one account, make sure you're signing into the shop you plan to configure. After you're logged in, open Shop Manager. This is your dashboard for everything related to your store. In the left menu, find Settings, then open Shipping Settings. Here, you'll create a shipping profile, which is a reusable set of rules you can apply to multiple listings. Click Create Profile to begin. First, enter the basics. Choose your ship from country from the drop-down and type in the postal code you'll be shipping from. This tells Etsy where your packages start their journey and helps calculate delivery expectations for buyers. Next, set up your standard shipping. Pick the shipping service you plan to use, select the delivery time in business days, and decide on the charge. You can offer free shipping or set a fixed price. Free shipping can boost conversion, while a fixed price gives you consistent cost control. Use realistic timeframes based on your carrier, and remember that business days typically exclude weekends and holidays. If you want more control, choose a specific destination for a customized setup. For example, you might offer quicker delivery within your country and a different option for international orders. This helps you balance speed and cost based on where your buyers are located. You can also add shipping upgrades. Choose the destination the upgrade applies to, then select the type of upgrade you want to offer, such as Express, One Day, Economy, or a custom option you name yourself. Upgrades appear at checkout, letting buyers pay extra for faster shipping when they need it. Before you finish, give your profile a clear, memorable name so you can find it easily later, then click Save Profile. Your shipping profile is now ready to apply to your listings, keeping your shipping options consistent and saving you time as you add new products. That's it. You've set up a complete shipping profile on Etsy. If you found this helpful, use this approach for all your listings to keep your shop organized and your buyers informed.